How much money can you earn per month by installing a Go&Go automatic motorbike wash? If you manage a parking lot, supermarket, shopping mall, or have a space with thousands of vehicles entering and exiting daily, you will surely agree with that Go&Go is about to start. We have a huge revenue stream right in the parking lot that we have not fully explored yet. That's why Go&Go makes this video to help you visualize how much income you can generate each month by installing a Go&Go automatic motorbike wash in your supermarket. In fact, all the locations where Go&Go is implementing the system have a one interesting thing in common. Supermarkets customers usually park their bike for 30 minutes to 1 hour. During that time, they absolutely love the feelings of coming out to find their bike sparkling, clean, dry, and smelling fresh without having to wait or haggle. Even better, customers always proactively choose the service because of the reasonable price, quick operation, and consistently clean bikes. In parking lots with high traffic, the bike wash machine can operate continuously every day. Some places wash a few dozen bikes a day, others a few hundred. The specific number varies depending on the supermarket, but most are at the level that makes it easy to imagine. If just a small fraction of the supermarket's enormous fleet use the bike wash service each day, the monthly revenue would be very stable. Many large, busy supermarkets see a significant increase in the number of bike wash every day, especially on weekends. And thanks to the existing customer base, the revenue is almost stable without the need for advertising or direct competition. With traditional bike washes, the higher number of vehicles, the greater the washing capacity. This is natural and does not require any effort to attract customers. Go&Go often install a combination of automatic motorbike wash machine and helmet washing machine, and this is very optimal model for supermarkets because customers not only wash their vehicle but also wash their helmet to remove odor and bacteria. Some partners say that the profits from the helmet washing service is also significant because customers like it. This provides a stable supplementary income stream without needing additional space or staff. Regarding operation, the strongest point of this model is its automation support, reaching up to 80%. The automatic motorbike washing machine operates according to the fixed process, independent of the washer's skill. The helmet washing machine works the same way. Customers bring the helmet, and the system processes them automatically. Therefore, only one person is needed for general support and collecting payment. Go&Go provides comprehensive support from installation and operation, training to marketing guidance, making it easy even for those with no prior experience in this service. So if you ask Go&Go how much money can you make per month installing an automatic motorbike wash in the supermarket, this completely depends on the number of bikes in the supermarket. Each session washes hundreds of bikes, and the operating cost to wash one bike is only 10 cents, including electricity, water, and chemicals. So with thousands of bikes in the supermarket, how much money can be owner earn each day? Go&Go is currently implementing this model in many provinces, and city each place has a different story. But the common point is when installed in the supermarket, the number of bikes is almost limitless. The machines run all day, and money comes steadily. This model is strongly suitable for those who want to earn a stable, low-risk, and reasonably priced additional income without relying too heavily on human resources. So the final question, should you invest? If you own a parking lot within a supermarket or location with high traffic, the answer is definitely it is worth it. There is the ready customer base, the service is clean, fast, and reasonably priced. The profit margin is clear, and the operation is easy. You make a one-time investment, but receive a steady monthly income for many years. And if you already own a parking lot, are partnering with a supermarket, or are looking for a low investment model with consistent revenue and no reliance on staff, Go&Go is happy to assist you with site service, traffic analysis, and the most suitable investment plan. You can connect directly with Go&Go to see the machine in person, observe the number of bike washes at a high traffic location, or receive a detailed cost breakdown for a supermarket model. Go&Go is always aimed to be the partner, ensuring that every investor feels their investment is worthwhile, secure, and generates consistent monthly profits. Contact Go&Go directly for installation consultation today.